Welcome to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Today we're working on this FG Falcon X sedan. Specifically, we're going to be changing the window master control switch. Now, some of the reasons that you might need to change something like this is either you'll have the driver's side reg not working because it's the most used one, or you'll have one of the three other doors totally not working at all. And most of the time, guys, the master control switch is the brains of the system. So even if this switch might work, that one might not. And of course, it knocks down in series, guys, none of them will work. So yeah, definitely the first place to look if you are having window problems. Now guys, if you do need this part, we have them available on our website at partsfactoryoz.com.au. I'll leave the description in the video. You can cruise on, check it out. We'll get it delivered to your door, free express post, almost overnight anywhere in Australia. So definitely worth checking that out, guys. I think they're about $73.30, brand new with a 3-year warranty. So can't really go wrong there, guys. Now, I'm expecting this job to take about 10 minutes. We're gonna pull the door card off, and then after that, guys, the window switch can just pop straight out, nice and easy. Alrighty guys, let's jump straight into this one. Good news, actually, after having a quick look at this, you don't have to pull the door card off, which is absolutely awesome. It's literally pull this pocket out with a little T25 Torx bit at the bottom, and you can lift that master switch straight out. So use your little flat end. There's a little flap at the bottom. Pop the flap up, nice and straightforward. T25 on a drill. You can put it straight down in there, line it up. It's a bit awkward, but pop it up, and of course that will lift straight out like so. If you don't get it all the way, you'll struggle to lift it out. Don't force it, just come back in and pull up as you turn left. There you go. Now, that is the hardest part of the job, because the next part is literally a little bit of pressure. You can pull this entire switch out like so. Now you see how it's grabbing that lever? Right guys, so the master switch does come out like this. However, if you notice this bit of leather here, it gets a bit floppy. So what actually ended up happening was caught on the top of the this little bit of metal tab. So it is possible, be careful, nice and slowly. What I did is I put the screwdriver up, around, and I just took the leather off the tab. And of course, I did the same thing on the other end, nice and slowly, have patience. If you rush this and you stuff your leather, you're gonna regret it. When I was younger, I used to do that type of thing, and of course I pay for it in the end, guys. Alrighty guys, so after that, as you can now tell, the job is basically complete. You can press that little plug in, even with your finger, it doesn't really matter. There we go. And then same thing on this side, you can just use a little flat edge screwdriver, twist, and pull up. And there's your switch there. Alrighty guys, so we've got it out, nice and easy. Now it's time to put the new one in. Your beauty. Alrighty. There you go, brand newie. Good news guys, it's easier to put them in than it is take it out. So you can just take your plug it straight in to the plug, nice and firm. It should be pretty firm, just so it doesn't pop out. And then of course, tucking the top in first, and then just slowly pressing down on the switch. Bob's your uncle, guys. Looks good. Alrighty guys, the last part is obviously the little coin pocket. To do this properly the first time, pop the little pocket open and put your finger on the screw so it keeps the screw straight, and then just come straight in the top and keep that screw straight, and you'll actually feel it drop into the little hole like so. And then of course your T25, nice and tight, and pop the little flap back over so everything's looking genuine. And that is job complete. Alrighty guys, so I hope everything's gone nice and smoothly on your end, just as it did for us. Don't forget guys, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are doing your own DIY repairs, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. We do have a lot of FG Falcon content coming out in the near future, and you never know when you're gonna need another DIY repair video such as this one. Guys, if you need the product, in the description you'll find the link. Click it, cruise onto the Webby, get it in your hand, and then of course use this video to put it in and save some money. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. My name's Lucas, and I will see you next time.